In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a 3D Shopify store. By the end of this, you will know exactly how to add your 3D product into your Shopify store, so customers can see the model alongside your normal product details. This part of the setup is simple, but it matters that you follow each field carefully, because the 3D media needs to be added in the right place. First, go to Shopify. Open your Shopify admin dashboard in your browser, and make sure you are signed in to the correct store. You should see your main dashboard or the left-hand navigation menu where you can manage products and listings. Taking a moment here is important because it ensures you are editing the store you actually plan to publish and sell from. Once you are in the admin area, you are ready to start adding your new product. Next, click Products. In the navigation menu, look for the section labeled Products and select it. After you click it, you should see a Products page where your current catalog is shown. This area is where you can create new items, edit existing ones, and manage how products appear to shoppers. When you are ready, you can proceed to the next action, which is adding a fresh product listing. Now click Add Product. This will open the product creation page. You will typically see fields for the product title, images, pricing, and description. Choosing Add Product is the step that creates the new listing, so your 3D model has a place to live within a complete product page. Take a moment to scan the page and confirm that you are on the product creation screen before entering anything. Then add your 3D product. This step means you should create the product record for the item that customers will be viewing. In practical terms, you should fill in the basic product information that Shopify requires to create the product listing. This can include the product name or other primary details shown at the top of the page, depending on what Shopify displays in your theme and admin view. The main goal is to ensure the product exists first, because the 3D model will be added as part of the product media afterward. After the product is created in the form, you will want to add the 3D model under Media. Look for the Media section on the product page. This area is where Shopify allows you to attach files and media assets to your product listing. Once you find it, upload or select your 3D model so it appears in this media area. Pay attention to the media label and place the 3D model there, because that is what lets Shopify associate the 3D content with the product page. Next, add the price and description. Now that the 3D model is attached, customers also need to know what they are buying and how much it costs. Find the price field and enter the correct amount for your product. After that, fill in the description field with a clear, helpful explanation of the product. Keep the description focused on what customers should understand, such as key features, what the product is, and any important details that help them make a confident purchase. Finally, click Save. This is the step that permanently stores your changes in your Shopify admin. Before you save, quickly double-check that the correct 3D model is present under Media and that the price and description look correct. Once everything appears right, click Save to publish the updated product information, and that covers everything you need to know. You have successfully added your 3D product to your Shopify store by going to Products, creating a new product, attaching the 3D model under Media, entering the price and description, and saving your changes.